Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Chika. I am going to be showing you how to rock a crochet afro that I installed myself. The link will be in the description box just in case you want to view it. I'm going to take down my satin scarf, which I would suggest you use when going to bed. So in my previous video I showed you my go-to hairstyle, which is the side parting with a hair clip. All you have to do is fluff the hair back to life. I'm gonna choose this because it just matches my top. Yeah, but you can choose any clip you want. Yeah, see how easy that was? That's why it's my go-to hairstyle. Just fluff. In fact, I don't necessarily have to brush in my hair because I think my scarf kind of did that. I don't know if you can notice, you can still see some crumbles, but it's not like noticeable. But if you want to lay your edges down, go ahead and do so. I'm loving this flower card. Okay, so you can style with this or another hair clip. So it's a really simple clip. So the next hairstyle is the half up, half down hairstyle. You go through your partings on the left and right. Use a hair tie, pack it up. And then you fluff. All you have to do after packing this up is to make the sides even. You can rock it this way. Or if you would like to spice it up, almost choked. If you would like to spice it up, you can go around the bun with golden strings. So I got this golden strings on Amazon, but you can always find it in your local beauty supply store. So they don't come tied, they do not come tied. So I tied it up myself. I made it this long and I have two. So the first one, I just like wrap it very loosely, horizontally, this way. And then you begin to spread the strings itself. The overall goal is to create some kind of a star design or any design you would want to, but the one I'm going for is like an aesthetic design, a star design. I want the strings to show as much as possible. You just tuck in the hair behind it. Yeah, and then you go vertically. Try to spread the strings. So you can keep on adding golden strings to it, but I already used up the ones I prepared. So this is a spiced up half down, half up look. Next hairstyle is some kind of a ponytail with a bang. You know, let's just get into it. This is the ponytail. Pack this way so that you see. So now this part we're going to work with it. So this is my other side parting and the one close to my ear. I'm going to twist it away from my face. Don't make it too tight, you want a loose twist. You're going to be using hairpins with it. So now you're going to take the twist and tuck it behind the ponytail. I take my hairpin, this part I also twist away from my hair. So while doing it, you try to put it in place so that it covers some knots in front. So this one goes under all the twist. So if your hair isn't secured enough, I would suggest you using a hairpin, but mine seems secure enough. And this is the bun. Yeah, this is how you want it to look. Oh, perfect. I love this bun. I still find a way to squeeze in my flower. So I usually put it over here. So now the next hairstyle is, I would say, a classic dinner hairstyle. Let's get started. With this hairstyle, the goal is to twist all the hair back away from your face. You know, just like the previous hairstyle, with just this part was twisted, like just this part of the hair was twisted back, but now we're gonna do it for all the hair. This is taken to the back, and then these other parts I just like randomly twist it to the back as well, and all of that gets pinned. And then the ones at the back, I'm just going to try to tame it, so I'm going to put it to the back as well, twisting inwards. Okay, that's tucked away. And then this one, I'm going to leave the last one to be tucked in the front, so I'm going to start twisting this one away from my face into the back as well. So now we just have the front part left. I'm going to twist and tuck in. So this is it with the pearl clips. So pop on some red lipstick. So now the next hairstyle is high puff. Yeah, if I do not want scarf, I could just fix my flower here. So now with an Ankara wrap, I got this one from home. So now I just take it around my hair so to cover up the back, and then I tie it in front. One big tie. You can rock it like this. Just fix some big earrings if you would want. So you can do it with this wrap or with any headscarf you have. So now I'm gonna try with this. This makes an appearance again. So my goal is to put it through this part. So I'm gonna use this and tie it around to give myself a low puff. You're gonna put it in and take this around the puff. That's why you have to make it as small as possible. Yeah, a side parting. So now I'm gonna use these. We're running away from a bow. But if you're like really good at making bows, this is your opportunity to shine. So now it looks like I have a little hat on my head. If I want to go for something really extra, or I have like a very plain outfit on and I just want to like jazz it up or just bring attention to your hair, darling, you go for this. You can also create a bow this way instead of tying a knot. This is the bow I could come up with. I cannot come and work myself. I want to encourage everyone who feels like doing edges is a necessity. Okay, it is not a necessity. As far as you just make it look neat, like just brush it in. Use I personally use cocoa butter or Vaseline sometimes. Like in days I just feel like, you know, whatever happens, I just apply the Vaseline and I'm good to go. Except when you want to feel extra, you just want to put in that extra effort. Okay, you can go and lay your edges. So this is going to be the end of the video. So my next video will be a 4-week update on this hair to see how it has been holding up and how I've maintained it and how I go through the week with the hair. Okay, so be sure to check it out. Give this video a thumbs up if it has been helpful to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.